something for April for her birthday.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Happy birthday.
She's eating too.
Let me give that bitch a shout out. I'm done. I wasn't even ready.
Happy birthday, April.
Might save you from
The video?
Yeah.
I do wear them when I have to clean like the grill.
Okay, I was like, I'm gonna post something on
all,
MySpace,
like,
but you don't even
that,
have one.
Like, drips on your hands, so I don't want my hands.
Say something for April for her birthday.
I want to wish you a happy birthday, bitch. And I want to tell you that I love you, and you're looking fierce, and what?
And what?
And what?
Bitch.
And what?
And what? Jory, say something to for your woman for her birthday. Tell her how much you love her and need her,
I love
and
you so much. I need you all the time.
like at what time? What hours? Do you guys want to say something for April for her birthday?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Please. Feliz cumpleaños. Oh my god, this is so damaging for you right now.